She put it all on me, I couldn't fight that. She love when I put on it when it's time back. You know it's hard to get up out of that.
What's up, y'all? Tomorrow we're going on our honeymoon in Aruba. It's been about a month now since we've actually been married. And we're actually supposed to be there right now, but our flight got canceled last week, so that's been rough. It's been kind of crazy. But we're going to Aruba. We're gonna take y'all with us. The way that we're gonna do this video is gonna be pretty much like day by day, so you can kind of see the full thing about what's going on, because we're going to be there for a whole week. So we're going to take you day by day, so stay tuned for a bunch of videos coming out of what we do. So if you ever decide to go to Aruba, you'll know what to do too. But it's going to be a blast. We got a lot of stuff booked. Right now, I just want to thank all of y'all for supporting us, for being with us throughout our whole entire journey to get to marriage. Thank you to everybody that donated to the honeymoon fund. Thank you for, making all of this possible. If you still want to donate, the honeymoon fund is still in the link below. We definitely appreciate all of y'all. We thank you so much. Make sure you stay tuned. Tomorrow, Jazz got like these outfits that we're supposed to match and wear, but she's asleep right now. We got to be up at like 2 in the morning. We got to leave here at like 2:30 to be able to get to the airport. Flight's at 5. We're excited. This is going to be an amazing trip. Make sure you watch all the videos. See you in the morning.
It is super early in the morning. It is, what time is it?
2 a.m.
2 a.m. We have a 5 a.m. flight, and we are officially ready to go on our honeymoon. I always tell y'all airport outfits matter. We got the fit, the wifey fit. Nick has on the hubby fit, so.
One thing about this hubby stuff, I make it look good. Tell me how to make this look good. Dang! Out here, it's hot though, I say that. This thing is hot, but yeah, make it look good, huh?
We're gonna be all right in the airport. It'd be cold in there and on the plane, so.
I'm hot in the house right now, but either way, you gotta represent, you know what I'm saying? And I gotta put on my other ring, because this is what's the thing called? The rubber one, so that you can let them know. I gotta let them know. So they throw the diamond one, but this the other one. You feel me? For the water. But yeah, like she said, we're about to get in our Uber, head to the airport. We got a layover in Fort Lauderdale, so we'll see y'all there. All right, we made it. It's always a hassle. I don't want to speak that into existence, but boy, I tell you, every single time I get on here and I start talking about traveling, it's a hassle. Just make sure y'all get to the airport early. That's my fair warning, especially if you're going to Houston or you're in Houston. Get to the airport early just to avoid all the nonsense. That's all. But we headed to the gate now. Yeah, it's dumb. Like, of course, when you're dealing with Jazz, you end up at Starbucks every time, and she's got her head deep down in this app for Starbucks. Jasmine, deep in the Starbucks app. I'm just out here, doing the hubby life. I just don't say nothing. We just gonna sit over here. These chairs are way more comfortable than the gate, and the gate is like packed. It's stupid packed over there. But Starbucks just opened and this line is already starting to get long. I don't know what it is. If you like Starbucks, make sure you hit the like button. If you like Starbucks, let us know in the comments below. And if you're mad at me because I'm not that big of a fan and I don't really care that much about Starbucks, let me know in the comments below about that too. She's forcing me to be a Starbucks fan. So let me stick my pinky out. I'll pass. Not into the sugar. Well, you happy you got your Starbucks?
Yes. I didn't get a sip yet.
Girl. Yeah. Alright, so we made it on the plane. This is what it's like when you board before everybody's in zone 1. You gotta wait forever. Either way, first stop, Fort Lauderdale. It's dark outside, but we about to take off. And Jasmine's over here talking talking about some.
Being an honorary Jamaican.
Yeah. And heart mice, puffy face.
Who am I to look like?
Please stow your carry-on. Large items such
Okay.
as roller boards should be placed in the overhead bin.
Well, yeah.
Wheels or handles
We about to take off.
placed in the aisle and smaller items
First
underneath
stop,
the seat
Fort
compartment.
Lauderdale.
Please
All right, y'all. So we in Fort Lauderdale. We just left the lounge. Got some food, got some drinks, all for free. Jasmine finessed her way in. Now it's time for us to board again to get back on the plane and go to Aruba now. It's been a little while since we've been in here. Ready to get up out of Florida, especially if we can't get no taste right. And we will see y'all in Aruba. We about to board now. She's clearly excited. Doing all these dances and stuff. In the middle of the airport with like thousands of people looking at us right now. But yeah, she's just trying to get to the Aruba, Jamaica, come on. Next stop, where?
Aruba!
Look at her rolling them R's. Aruba. Oh yeah. It's Taco Tuesday too. So, y'all gonna get to check out the best taco spot in Aruba.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Amaru, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she mine. She's so yeah.
All right, y'all, we made it. We are in Aruba, officially in customs. The line is long. Well, it ain't that bad, but I'm just glad we finally off the plane. What about you, Jazz?
So happy I'm off the plane. My bum hurts so bad.
My whole body hurt. My knees was stuck in somebody's back. Oh man. But I will say this, I ain't never seen water like that pretty on the way here. Like,
It was so pretty.
yeah, it was crazy.
Alright, we made it, y'all. We went through customs and we're about to go get this rental car. We're a little toasty out here, but hopefully y'all can hear me.
It's actually not that bad.
Yeah?
It's windy. The breeze is good.
It feels really great. So I'm excited. Let's go get this rental car and we're gonna be on the way to the hotel. So see y'all in a minute.
Pulling up to Superfood, about to get these groceries. I'm gonna tell y'all this, don't ever wear a hoodie in Aruba. It's the worst idea.
Well, we were supposed to come.
But we're definitely this is technically not our first stop, but we're not gonna go into the details about our adventures yet. But we in the grocery store. It's always an adventure with us, but we couldn't let y'all in on that one. It was a little wide. I mean, a little wild turn, but we in the grocery store. I'm gonna get some water. Well, really sparkling water. Don't need to actually buy water here because this island is considered champagne of the world or something like that, the water. So we don't need to do that, but we do need some sparkling water for these drinks. And I haven't had any water since yesterday. So right now I am hoping to at least get a bottle and then I can refill that for the rest of the time we're out here.
Hey y'all, we just left the grocery store. We are about to go check into our hotel. It's a little hot out here. It's a lot of hot.
Man, that's a big old cruise.
We had a lot of detours getting off the plane and extra detours thanks to Mr. Captain Save.
I know you ain't talking. That's your people.
No, it's not.
That's your people from the block.
Anyways, nigga's about to give me a heart attack driving this car.
Man, these people.
Cause look, I don't even know.
I'm doing it like a pro. We about a mile away from the hotel. Big old cruise ship behind us, but you can't see it.
Yeah, There's a bunch of stuff blocking it right now. Big carnival ships.
Yeah, I think we're gonna check in.
We gotta get checked in, get out these sweatshirts.
Oh, we gotta take the thumbnail in our little outfit.
Oh yeah, that
and
too.
I need to take a picture so I can post it on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me. And then, I'm dead serious. Hollywood Crooks, follow me. And then, I didn't put this on for no reason. I'm not sweating for no reason, so I'm posting this on Instagram. But we're about to head to the hotel, probably charge the phone for a little bit, maybe get a little sip, and then it's time for Taco Tuesday. We're gonna take y'all to Craft.
Because my stomach is touching my spine right now.
Yeah, that's one of the top spots too, by the way. Craft, so you get to see that. I know we're gonna end up having to wait a little bit, but I gotta get some water and some food in me, so. $14.39.
They have two towers now. Plus, they have the other property over there, other beach bars, a jacuzzi also. Make a left.
Oh,
Left side, yeah.
oh, this is nice too. That's a nice transition. Very nice. 14.39.
Make a left.
Aquí. Reach. Made it to the room. It's been absolutely amazing so far, outside of the long walk outside and trying to figure out how to get in here. But they literally hooked it up. I got to shout out Humbert.
Umberto.
No, not Umberto. Humbert. He hooked us up, got us the suite, got us the view, all of that, and now it's time to enjoy. But I'm about to show you the room real quick. Look at the bathroom first. This is nice. Got the shower up top. What's that called again? A garden shower?
The
Rainforest shower? Yeah. What is your personal oasis? Not sure how do we open this, but the view isn't that great from where we are, but I'm not complaining. Let's go out. This is the room. Big TV. Thanks, Humbert and Mario. Y'all did a great job. We do have a little view out here. All right, now, like I said, gotta take these pictures and time to eat. All right, y'all, it's a little windy in here, but right now we headed to go to Craft. Really, it's called Lola, but the taco spot, happy hour, we definitely don't have a reservation, so we're gonna just try to walk in, but that's where we're headed right now. So hopefully it works out for us, and then we'll show y'all what it's like. But yeah, we're walking through the hotel right now to try to get to that spot. And look at Jasmine's new fit. Look at her, she out here iced up. Look at her, icy. And after that, I think we're gonna try View. We'll just see, we'll see. We don't wanna go too hard right now, but yeah, look at the cruise ship lit up over there in the back. They're out here and they stuck here. Oh no, wait, a lot of them are still here?
Yeah, both the carnival and the, what is it?
So they might be spending the night out here in Aruba with us. They're trying to run the prices up on us. Either way, it's cool. Look, they got the big flamingo. And we headed to this spot right now. It's about 3 miles away from here. So yeah, if anybody that knows kilometers, you know, figure that out. Ask Siri or something. But yeah, we headed over there now. All right, y'all. So we got to Lola, but it's an hour and 15-minute wait on a Tuesday. So we're gonna go walk around and see if there's anything else we can grab in the meantime. Jazz is looking like she want to try gelatissimo.
Not yet.
Maybe. But I think we might go to like one of the food trucks or something like that and just get something small to hold us over, and then just kind of explore for the next 45 minutes and then walk back in and see, you know, what they're talking about. What is?
The little heart.
Oh, true that. All right, so we're at the Sopranos Piano Bar right now. In the meantime, we put in our song request. We're about to watch the piano artist do her thing. Y'all definitely gotta come here. We're gonna show y'all what she's capable of. You see? Yeah, just wanna have fun. Y'all, so we just got to Lola, and today is Happy Hour Taco Tuesday, as we told y'all. The only tacos, just so you know, in the future, the only tacos that's actually on Happy Hour are the carnitas and the chicken morita. It's for $1. Everything else, you gotta pay normal price. You get 2 tacos. We about to go get some of that, obviously, save some money. But we're gonna get everything else to do after that. So we're gonna show you what it looks like when we get it. Look good, don't they? Dang, them nachos. The $1 tacos. These don't look like $1. The other thing look good. Buffalo chicken with a green sauce. Hey, this sauce right here is busting. It's good. Mama said no pussy cats, I'm a dog house. That's what got my daddy locked up in the dog pound. Free family. You know I'm fucking all night, alright. Turn off the lights, I'm beating like a mic. I look don't run from this pipe. Alright y'all, so we're wrapping up the night. We just left South Beach. It was cool. Honestly, like it got way better as the night went on. It kind of sucked that it was over. But for being on an island, I'm like, yo, this is kind of live. Like I've definitely felt like I was right where I needed to be. How you feel, Jazz? She's worn out. I've been asleep all day, so I might have a little bit of energy. Who knows? As I'm gonna come in here early in the morning, we're gonna get breakfast because tomorrow, make sure you watch that video. Stay tuned. It is coming after this one. We're going to where, Jazz?
Deep Palm Island.
And it's about to be a whole nother level of fun. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. It's coming up next. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Like I said, if you want to donate to the honeymoon fund, still you can. It's in the link below. We appreciate everybody that has. And we're going to end this video. Just stay tuned for Deep Palm Island in the next video. Peace.